So if you have been wondering why altcoins are down, why Bitcoin and crypto is down, that is because right now we've got a breaking news for the Bitcoin price, because about a couple of days ago, Bitcoin lost a key level right here inside the daily time frame charts. And that is why I cannot wait to talk about the recent price action and discuss with you guys what we could expect next for the Bitcoin price, and also the important levels to account for and much more. So to begin, we are starting off inside the daily time frame charts, and then later on in the video, we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook. But again, to begin, we are here in the daily time frame charts, and right now we've got some breaking news because about a couple of days ago, Bitcoin lost a key support level right here, which is this support trend line, which has been supporting the price for quite some time, but we lost it, and therefore we have seen this dump towards the downside. So if you have not been following the channel, we have, as a matter of fact, discussed this potential scenario in my previous video that Bitcoin has potentially formed a massive consolidation pattern, which is this ascending triangle pattern, as reflected by the support trend line and resistance zone, therefore forming this gigantic ascending triangle. And I mentioned that if we do break towards the upside, Bitcoin would enter into price discovery mode. But if we do break below this triangle right here, we could see Bitcoin enter lower prices. As you guys can see in my previous video right here, we discussed this about a couple of days ago, and you guys liked it. So yeah, we talked about this possible scenario, and right now it has played out, unfortunately. So as I have discussed previously, if we do see Bitcoin lose support right here, we could see Bitcoin tank towards the downside towards the next support level, located at around 64K. So yeah, there is a high chance we could see Bitcoin find support at the 64K level, because the price has reacted previously towards this level. And also another level to look out for is 60K. So in case the worst happens and we see Bitcoin lose the 64K level, we could see Bitcoin find support at 60K as well. So these are the two levels to look out for support. We have $64,000 and $60,000, which is also a massive support zone. But personally, I'm expecting Bitcoin to have some sort of bounce at the 64K level from there. So now let's talk about my long-term view for the Bitcoin price. So if you have been wondering, my view still remains the same, and I personally believe that Bitcoin is right now in the middle of its cycle, and we are 50% complete in this bull run, because I have personally set my targets to $150,000 per Bitcoin as the bull cycle peak. The targets for other people may be different from mine, but my personal target is 150K. Now, obviously, Bitcoin, there's a high chance that Bitcoin may not top off at 150K. There's a chance that we could see Bitcoin have the blow off top at 140K or 120K. But the general idea I have is that we could see Bitcoin have the blow off top at around this general area right here where the red box is located at, before entering into another massive bear market. So that is why I think we're 50% complete of the cycle. But for altcoins, I believe that it's still early for altcoins, and there are many altcoins that haven't had a run yet, and that serves as an opportunity to dollar cost average into your favorite altcoins. So yeah, right now though, I personally think that this isn't the time to get shaken out, because we just entered the halving about a couple of months ago, and usually after a couple of months after the halving, we do see an insane increase for the Bitcoin price because of this particular event. So right now, in the next couple of months, I'm expecting the price to have a reaction, and essentially what we're seeing right now is just another buying opportunity, in my personal opinion. So this isn't concerning me at all. There is nothing that concerns me for the Bitcoin price, and I think that the dumps we're seeing right now is particularly normal inside a bull cycle. Also, if you guys are seeking for a community or a group of like-minded individuals who are seeking success in this market, be sure to join my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.